2.2, here we go. So this is the thing, the polynomial. The degree is 2 because of this 2, 7x squared. That's a degree of 2. The leading term is negative 7x squared because it's the biggest thing that has x. So biggest number with x squared, like 6x is the other one, but that one's bigger. So negative 7x squared. Leading term. Leading coefficient is just the number in front of x in the leading term, so negative 7. Then constant term is negative 2. The constant is this right here. Just the number that's on its own that doesn't have x. So yeah, that's the constant term. And behavior, as x is closer to negative, y gets closer to negative as well. That's because it's a negative. Okay, how do I explain this? The multiplicity, so x squared and x1, if you add 2 plus 1, that's 3. So a 3 is odd, so it's going to look like, hold up, it's going to look like this. So as x is getting closer to negative infinity, y is getting closer to negative. As x is getting closer to positive, y is getting closer to negative as well. So they're both negative infinity. Okay, so I was actually wrong on this part. This is a different question. I have no idea why it's how you figure out what the graph looks like. I got it wrong. It's wrong in my notes. Ask a tutor. This is wrong. I don't know. It's wrong. All right, this one was a little harder. To do it, I had to do this thing where you write it out and then you go boom, 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 and you multiply it all together. You get that, you simplify it down, and then it's just a long problem, and then you apply it to this. It's the same as the last ones after that. All right, for this one, so the x-intercepts are the zeros, right? Wherever the graph hits x equals 0. So what you're going to do, you want to do x minus 2. How do I make that thing in the parentheses a 0? Well, if you make the x a 2, 2 minus 2 equals 0. So the first one's 2. So 2 comma 0, because the x would be the 2, right? So the y is the 0. That's why it's called the 0. And then the other one would be just this x in front, because there's two x-intercepts because there's two x's. So to make that one a 0, you would just put a 0 in for the x. So yeah, 0 would be the 0. And then it's just wanting you to put it in this form in parentheses and then just like put the x in. So 0 would be 0, 2 would be 2. And then the multiplicity is just it's squared on that one, so it's 2. And then on this one, it's just x to the power of 1, so it's just 1. The y-intercept, you take this equation and you replace x with 0 and then solve for y. So the equation is f of x equals x. So let's write this out. Y equals 0 times 0 minus 2 squared. So it would just be y equals 0, because this whole thing, whatever the heck it is, it doesn't matter because it's times by 0, and anything times 0 is 0. So the y-intercept is 0 comma 0 as well. So let's do that real quick. 0 comma 0. Boom. Got it. Use this information along with the end behavior where necessary to select a rough sketch of the polynomial. Okay, so we know that it's 0, 0, and 2, 0, so it's going to be like that, dude. Let's freaking go. Oh, freak. Oh, no, wait. Because you got to know what the end form is. So if you look up here, 2 plus 1, you add the multiplicities together. 2 plus 1 is 3, so that is odd. So it's not going to be like that. It's going to be one of these frowny face. It's going to be, they're both going to be ending the same direction, either both up or both down. And because it starts with a positive, it's going to be positive, so it's going to be 0, 0. It's going to be like that, dude. Submit. Boom. Okay, I really need to ask a tutor on how to do the what's it called? How to know the end, this thing. the end behavior because I don't really understand how to figure it out. I just kind of guess every time.